This is the 13th IIF-1 GP skill competition, with over 150 competitors from over 20 countries.
We strive for perfection.
We make connections.
We don't stop until it's done.
Hard work means success.
I can help people with my job.
On behalf of Isuzu Motors International, we would like to extend our gratitude and thank all of you who have come here to join, participate and witness this year's competition.
To all the contestants, we wish you all the best.
Alles Gute für den Wettbewerb.
All the best. All the best.
It's about passion.
Amazing experience.
Excellence.
Dedication.
Collaboration.
Exploration.
Teamwork.
Energetic.
Vision. Innovation.
Super.
It's great and it's competitive.
تطوير وتعليم.
Determination.
Kaizen and Chowa.
El mejor de los deseos para todos.
All the best.
By hosting competitions like this, we raise everyone's performance levels.
It brings out the best in people.
It makes people more aware of what's going on in industry.
I have met a lot of amazing people.
We had made a lot of friends for life.
I have got to know a lot of people and their culture.
Yeah, we have good time to know each other.
We got to know each other.
We had fun.
It was amazing. All the best contestants, the best comes out of you throughout the competition. Enjoy.
Isuzu #1.
All the best.
So it is one of the fantastic events. Thank you for the hard work and thank you for the team.
Engage for change.